Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yesterday was a holiday, so the markets barely moved. Stock market was closed. They're going to open again today. And I started to buy back into Bitcoin, altcoins. You have to remember last year, 1 year ago, I was buying heavy into Bitcoin at 16K. Longs, heavy longs. If you remember, I had a 19 Bitcoin trade. I had 6 Bitcoin spot. And now in March, I sold all of that and I've been trading the top. And now after this dip, I've bought back in quite a bit and I'm going to show you in my account. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell, follow me if you've been, you can watch for 4 years. I've been making daily videos for free, more than 4 years on this channel. So if you're skeptical, you can just watch over time. And I made thousands and thousands of millionaires. I'll show you some comments from people that say this. And trading for 23 years, so you can just learn from me if you want for free on these videos. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. Pocket, everything slightly just even. No movement really on the day at all because of the public holiday yesterday. Let's go into the weekly charts on Bitcoin. I teach this in the Crypto Master course. Always start on the weekly charts first. So weekly charts first. Crypto Guru Bot still blue buy, which it fired in February 2023. It hasn't flipped red yet, so still a blue buy, and you get it in the Crypto Master course. Let's go on the weekly. The stochastic is turning down still, and volume still dropping off. We have 3 days left, but it's not looking too good on the volume. The volume is terrible. Volume predicts price, and you can see since we hit 70k, just a massive drop off on volume. So it is quite dangerous actually. Stochastic on the daily quite low. Clear rising wedge that's still breaking down. This was the one that I was warning everyone about be careful going long at 70, and that rising wedge has broken down. First target I've got for a bounce is at 63k, and next one at 59k. It's still the same targets that I've had all month. It looks like they're still in play. Let's go closer on the 4 hourly. Lower lows. It's forming a descending wedge on the 4 hourly. You can see here descending wedge forming, everyone. That's a bullish sign. Starting to get descending wedge forming here on Bitcoin. How descending wedges play out? Normally, it's quite a small one though, like compared to the bigger time frame one. This is the daily one, which is a massive rising wedge, builds pressure and breaks down. This is the opposite. This is a descending wedge, which is forming on the hourly. So builds pressure, and then 63k, and then breaks out 70% of the move. Could move out now because if you zoom in closer on the hourly, you can also see that we're forming inverse head and shoulders here on the hourly. Shoulder, head, shoulder possible. So it is possible Bitcoin breaks out of this descending triangle right now. But I would still stick to this trade, 63k and 59k on the major trend line. Why 59k? You can see here this yellow trend line. It's been since July 2023, and you can see Bitcoin just climbs this yellow trend line. Wait, it slightly moved. Let me adjust it. You can see Bitcoin climbs this yellow trend line. And if it was to pull back to this trend line again, 59k is the target. So those are the two trades. I've got one at 63k, still targeting 88k, and one at 59k, still targeting 88k. If we manage to break out of this overall bigger formation, which is this bull flag and the 4th to 5th final wave that I've been counting pretty much all year. So that's my trades, that's my thoughts in the market. Still pretty much the same two trades that I've had for the last 2 weeks or 3 weeks even, from the formation of this rising wedge. These are the same two trades. And over on Bybit, if you want to trade like you see me do, go underneath the video. The exchanges that I use, one is Bybit, gives you the best exchange. It's the best exchange I use for trading. Get a $30,000 bonus if you use that link. These are the other exchanges I use. Take the Crypto Master course and all the courses to learn all this, and join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. And over on Bybit, you can see I've got my trade set up. Bitcoin pumping exactly as I'm saying right now. I've got 3 Bitcoin at 63k, 5 Bitcoin at 58k, and 500,000 Doge at 0.09. But it does look like Bitcoin is might launch out right now. And over here on spot, you can see my assets holding. I've got 2.7% in pocket. I'm going to buy another $2,000 now of pocket at this price. 2%. USDT, I've got 36%. So I put most of my USDT, I put a lot of it now into position. 17% in MCRT, 16% in Bitcoin. I've got 1.2 Bitcoin, which I bought. Uniswap 10%, Doge 9%, World 7%. And this account 593 bouncing back, which is beautiful. Still 63k plus 26k, so still 100k in cash, or 90k in cash here, plus 182k, so still 280k in cash from 600, so still almost 50%. MCRT 86k, slightly up 1%. Bitcoin 83k, up 0.11%. 1.27 Bitcoin. I'm starting to accumulate here. Uniswap 53k, about even. Doge 46k, about even. World 35k, and Pocket 13k. That's the positions I'm holding right now. And let's check out the total market cap of all crypto and Ethereum. Total market cap, all crypto 2.3. This is the market cap of all cryptocurrency. So on the weekly charts, you can see giant cup and handle formed here on the weekly. Huge cup and handle that if that plays out, crypto market cap could go to the base of this cup and handle. Base of this cup and handle, which would put us at around $4 trillion to crypto market cap. 4 trillion, everyone. Crypto market target 4 trillion. In the long run, it'll be as big as the stock market's 100 trillion. So keep that in mind. But right now, 4 trillion target for the crypto market cap on that big cup and handle. Also, giant bull flag still forming on that second to third to fourth, correct? Still the big bull flag forming here, with the target being 3 trillion. However, the issue is we broke out and double topped on the crypto market cap. That was the problem. 1, 2, double top. Weekly stochastic turning out. Volume is still quite high on the crypto market cap. Let's look at the crypto guru bot. Still firing a blue buy for crypto as well. Fired the blue buy back in February 2023 at $1 trillion market cap. Again, you get it in the master course. It's amazing, the crypto bot on the larger time frames. On the smaller time frames here, I'm seeing some formations forming. You could say this is a new formation starting to form. Symmetrical triangle. Stochastic, if we can turn up, we're getting a plus sign here. Look at that. Stochastic turning up. Some volumes coming in, which is good. A little bit higher volume than the last days. If this symmetrical triangle plays out on crypto market cap, builds pressure, and breaks out the base of the triangle. So this distance here, I think crypto might have bottomed here. If we manage to hold here, we could be getting bottoming formation on crypto, which would be beautiful. If I can grab this base where we'll break out, the target of the breakout. Let's clear up some of these lines. The base of the wedge is the distance that we should move. So target, if we break out now, and it's very possible. Why? 2.9 trillion. Why? Possible because you can see here that this is building pressure, and usually they break out 70% of the move. So it is very possible that crypto pumps right now 2-3 trillion, and the bigger overall target 4 trillion. If we manage to hold here, this could be very good for crypto. Let's zoom in. 4-hourly stochastic heading up, volume coming in, slightly V-shaped recovery. This could be the bottom on altcoins, everyone. Very possible. That's my quick updates in the market. Also, join us in Telegram. The links are down in jamescryptoguru.com. You can find all the links. And here, everyone's talking together, sharing charts. There's 130 of you online. Some will call them head and shoulders. They do look similar. People discussing charts here, diamond patterns. And you can see their discussions about the market. Come and join them for free. jamescryptoguru.com to get the link. Thanks for watching, everyone. That's my quick updates in the market. I didn't get time to do Ethereum. I'll do it in the next video. But this is looking good on the crypto total market cap side of things, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. If we manage to hold here, if volume comes back, we could get a really big push in the altcoins and crypto markets. And it is possible Bitcoin did bottom here 64. It was very close to my 63k target. I didn't manage to activate my trades. You can see here my trades at 63, 60, 58 and 0.09 on Doge. You can see like for 3 Bitcoin 63, 5 Bitcoin for 58, we came down to 64. So it is very possible that it could be a V-shaped recovery, inverse head and shoulders looking like here. I managed to pick up those spot positions on alts and Bitcoin. However, the leverage trade didn't activate at 60. It was set at 63, not 64. So I manually picked up spot positions, but it didn't activate those leverage trades. Let's see right now if we manage to push out here, if the altcoins push out, or if we continue down to 63 and 58 like my original targets. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. This is not financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence. My company is a seed investor, is in 80 plus crypto projects, so you have to make your own decisions. But this is my thoughts in the market. I hope it helps you and you can learn from me. Take the crypto master course and the courses to learn all this, and take the laws of money once you become rich. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.